Boy, these trees are gorgeous, aren't they? I remember when they were about this high, and I had a little stick, and I had them tied to the stick to try to strengthen them, to help them grow. But I did one other thing when I planted all these trees 20 some years ago. I put in the base of the tree, into the roots, something called Spray and Grow. They're vitamins for plants and trees, and boy, did they take off. I'm going to talk about it today in your morning cup of inspiration. You know, the Bible talks about trees and how our lives are like trees that are planted by water, but we need to water the trees. We need to make sure we're nourishing our spiritual lives. We're getting all the vitamins we need, and we get them here in God's Word. In Psalm chapter 1, in verse 3, it says, "He is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever he does prospers." Do you want to be like that today? Do you want your life to prosper? Do you want all of your efforts, all of your work to really pay off, to pay large dividends? I mean, look at these trees. That tree is called a Zelkova tree, and those trees can grow tall or they can grow wide. I've got another one right up here that grew tall, and I mean they took off. In fact, I had some tree experts out here last summer, and they were trimming the trees, and they said, "Dan, we have never seen Zelkova trees this big. What did you do?" And I told them about Spray and Grow, vitamins, nutrients for the plants, and that's what we need in our spiritual lives, because we're all human, we all fail, but God forgives us, but we need to try every day to get that nourishment. And that's why I like to start off my day with my devotions and a morning cup of inspiration. So thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you soon for another morning cup of inspiration. God bless.